What is going on, guys? So, basically, what is this Discord about, and kind of what and why did I make it, and all of that fun stuff? I'm just going to be going over a little bit of that. So, this Discord isn't just like stock trading, it's a lot more than that. And one of the main reasons I made it is because if you guys don't know, I am a college dropout, and basically, the reason I did that is because it wasn't even because it was too expensive. I had really good scholarships, due to my grades. But the point about all of that was I just wasn't learning what I thought to learn. I took a finance class, and one of the main points the professor had, and I mean, it was a valid point, was when you buy a stock, you buy it low to sell high. It's a valid point. Now, that is what you're supposed to do, but there were no breakdowns, no technical analysis, none of that. And that was kind of, I'm like, are you kidding me? And that was an advanced finance class, and I'm just like, okay, so I'm done with college. You don't learn taxes. You don't truly learn the things in life that kind of make life easier. So, for example, one of the things we have here is we have credit card hacks. And I use credit card hacks a lot. I use it to get free stuff. I use it to travel for free mainly. You can also use it to literally get cash. But yeah, I basically hacked my way into getting close to unlimited Delta miles anytime I wanted to. So, that's just one of the things we have. And all of these things that we have on the side here is stuff that we have proof of doing, that we have specialization in, and then that we can actually show how it's done. It's no like bull crap like, oh, just Google articles or anything like that. No, it's actually proof. So for the card flipping example here, it was an example. I just posted this today, but basically, in the past 2 weeks, I've bought three cars with a buddy of mine. He kind of fixes them up. I'm kind of the cash cow on that part of it. So we bought a car about a week and a half ago. Ended up fixing it up a little bit, and then we sold it. So the total cost of it was $2,500 for the car. Sold it for $3,300 later. So that's $800 profit in the span of a week and a half. We have two cars left now: a GMC Envoy and a Mercedes Benz C280. So those cars, the goal of that is to basically make $3,000 profit off of those. And I kind of want to scale this up a little bit to be doing four cars every month, or basically a car a week. So that's kind of the goal. And yeah, it's just something fun to do, something extra, and it makes good money as well. So again, that is one of the things. Then we have basically car hacks, how to basically buy a car or lease a car or any stuff like that, how to basically drive a car for way less than you should, and all of that stuff. So a breakdown for this is I have a BMW M8. That car is 130, almost $140,000 car. The lease on that car usually is around close to 18, almost $1,900. The lease that I pay is $950. Now, off of that $950, how much do I actually pay out of my own pocket? I end up paying a little bit under or a little bit over $200 every single month. So again, how do we do that? That is in car hacks and everything like that. And all of these are like newly listed. Again, this is a new Discord. I think we're about 2.5 weeks old here. So again, new stuff. I'm gonna be posting a lot of this basically, videos, links, everything. But yeah, it's just a hack like that. Or I have a 2019 Audi A5 that I don't drive anymore because again, there's no need for it. But on that car, I make 100, and I think it's like $120 profit every single month. Profit, like it's absolutely insane how that works. And then again, it's just small things that add up to bigger things. Because if you make $4,000 here flipping a car, even $800, you make $150 off of a car here. Then you have another $1,000, and then on obviously the stocks and everything, you have covered calls, which this month alone I've made almost $9,000. I think I'm at 88, 82 to be exact. I have the thing somewhere. Right here. Yes, I am at $8,822 for this month off of my covered calls that I just get. And here, like the daily watch list, I send out stocks, send it out with charts, like for example, Lumo. It's trading back, has a shit ton of range, and you can literally see that it always bounces nicely here and then always increases slightly. Not a lot, but it is very nice in my opinion. So SLNO, and then I also have, obviously we have free alerts as well. So again, Lumo is also posted in here. One that I'm very happy about is OSA right now. You can see for the past like almost year, it has been hitting the same resistance over and over again and making lower lows. So do I think it's going to go from here to back here? No. To here? No. To here? No. I think it's going to be closer into like this range right here. If I were to hold it for a couple of months, that's not what I want to do. I kind of want to do half and half. I want to do half covered calls on this for long-term effect, and then I want to do just a quick day trade or swing trade it for a week, just to right around this price target, so below this line. And that's what I send out. And then I say almost a perfect bounce. Basically, why I'm doing it, my game plan with it, cash covered call, so I can get a 1% premium, as well as making another 10% from the trade. And this gets sent out, a crap ton. Then we also have just some funny things in here, gains made aftermarket and all that. That's why I hold swing troops. We have this. It's just a bunch of crap. We got Tesla memes in here. We got it all. So basically, one of the main reasons I ended up making this was, again, because the school system doesn't teach you a lot of stuff. We got social media marketing agencies here. We got wholesaling. We got car hacks, credit card hacks, basically travel hacks, real estate, house flippings, as well as rental properties, buying 4 rental properties this year alone, as well as doing one fixer upper purely by myself and a buddy of mine. So, like, no construction company, nothing like that. Um, as well as currently buying 2 homes, one in Utah and then one more in Texas for a couple of buddies of mine and myself, just to kind of be there in a sense. Car flipping, we got some challenges. For example, I'm doing a $1,000 account challenge, literally just trading BNB and N0, which are cryptocurrencies. We got some interesting facts. We got the extra simple trading book. It's super short. It's about 10 pages. And this is it right here. The simple trading book. When trading stocks, I basically own a day trade versus a swing trade, understanding options, the Greeks, all of that. So this just is basically what is in it. Does it cost any money? No, this is all for free right here. And then we got some hype stocks. When I'm basically trading, selling telling when I sold. So I'm not telling you guys when to buy or sell a stock. That is not what I'm doing. I'm breaking down what I'm doing, what stocks I am watching, and the reasoning behind it, my profit margin goal, and all of that, and then basically just news. So again, it's very simple. We have merch, giveaways, profit showcase. Last week, I think. Oh, it's a video. Ended up with $13,000. Today alone, I cleared over $9,000. Daily profits. You can see here how much people made in that day from the alerts or something. So again, it's just basically what I buy a stock at, what I sell a stock at. I'm not telling you guys to buy. I'm not telling you guys to sell. I'm just telling you what I'm looking at, the reasoning behind it, the chart analysis, and teaching you how to analyze that chart as well. Then we have option plays. Then we have crypto, daily watch list, alerts, and obviously welcome. So this is basically what this Discord is, slash what the WBB is. It's basically just trying to get knowledge out there because there are so many ways to basically make money. I'm probably also going to add how to make money with podcasts, how to make money with YouTube, all of that stuff, and social media in general. And this is just it because I think it's easier to do 10 things that make $1,000 a month than to basically do one that makes $10,000 a month. So again, it's just making that money to basically help you live that life passively. Like for example, if I calculate in my mortgage for the house in Texas, I calculate my mortgage for the house in Utah, right? I'm at 3, then I'm at 2.5. And this is if my roommates didn't pay anything. So I'd be at 5.5. Great. Then technically I'd have the M8, which would cost me 950, but again, out of pocket it's only 200. So I'd be at, let's just say, another grand. So now I'd be at 6.5, you know? And then you just keep adding stuff. I'm getting an I8 as well, so that would be another grand a month. So now I'd be at 7,500. I'd need food, another grand a month, 8,500, you know? And guess what? Even if I were to pay all of that just like that, just my covered call options would cover that. It's insanity, right? But then I can start subtracting it, right? Mortgage in Texas, out of that 2,500, I pay 1,000. Boom. So now I'm only at 1,000. House in Utah, guess what? I pay 600. Boom, 1,600 now. M8, 200, like 220. So now I'm at, what even is that? 1,800, you know? So it's like that. Food, okay, yeah, that's 1,000, sometimes more. So 28, let's just say 3,000. You know, and it keeps going. Well, guess what? A5, I paid that off at the front. Now I make $120 extra a month. I basically get almost $700 on that. Well, I can just cut that straight from my 2,000 or my 3,000. So guess what? Now I'm back at 2,300, and it just keeps going and going. And the whole point of this is basically turning what you do into something kind of passive that allows you to live the life you want to live. Because now when I spend money, it's not like holy crap. I used to be like that. I'm like, okay, I want to eat out, but I'm like, but it's cheaper if I just ate the food at home. Guess what? Now I don't give a crap. I like what I do. I love doing this. I basically work from, I would say, 6 in the morning or 6:30 in the morning up until around like 12 or so. Then I go to the gym for about 2 hours. Um, and then it's 2. And honestly, my day kind of ends at, I would say, 4 p.m. My day is done by 4 p.m., sometimes even earlier. And then it just allows me to go out. For example, today, I went to Topgolf and Cheesecake Factory, you know? The day before, I think I went to actually, I did nothing the day before. I went shopping. That's what I did. 2 days ago, golfing. 3 days ago, went golfing. 4 days ago, golfing. You know, it just keeps going. 5 days ago, gun range. 2 weeks ago, I was in Mexico. You know, this Friday, I'm going to LA. And it keeps going and going and going. So, this is what it's about. It's basically just giving you different options to try, showing you how it's done, how to do it, proof that it can be done, proof of how much profit there is to be made. No bullshitting here. Everything's open. I am very open about my account size. I trade with almost $100,000, and it's all laid out there. There's no hidden shit. It's nothing like that. You got wholesaling. You got a crap ton of stuff for free that I'm offering here. And then if you do guys want to pay, it's $15 for the daily watch list options and plays, just because I do have to like alert those while I'm trading in a sense. So that's it. You know, do I say you guys need that? No, I don't. I don't believe you really truly need that. Is it good to have? Yes, it just allows you to more alerts, more options and more choices to make that you can feel comfortable in, as well as more learning opportunities. Do you need it? No. Am I trying to sell your bullshit course? No. I'm offering it for free, guys. So again, you can join it. This is basically just a breakdown of what the WBB Discord is and why it was created. Basically, long story short, school system is crap. There's so many ways to make money nowadays, and I think the word retirement gets a bad rap. Technically, I could say I'm in retirement. I could downsize my lifestyle a little bit, and I could honestly go into retirement. Guess what? I don't want retirement. I want financial freedom. That for me is retirement in a sense. Because as long as I love what I do, I love Mondays. I even love the weekends. I basically love every single day. And it's awesome. I have my own schedule. It's currently 4:49 in the morning. I have not slept, I would say, since 12 in the afternoon yesterday. And now I'm probably going to go to sleep for about, I would say, an hour, wake up, trade for about 2 hours, edit this video, upload this video, do a little bit of social media stuff, upload a podcast, send back a couple of emails, look at houses, and then I'll probably be in bed again by 10 in the morning. And then I'll probably sleep until like 3 p.m., make some coffee, go to the gym, and go back to bed. So that is all I'm trying to say. Hope you guys enjoyed this long breakdown. I really thought this video would be shorter, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you join the WBB, and peace out, guys.